I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the pack and confirming chemistry and specs. This matters because charging profiles differ and so do risks. Once done, visually inspect for swelling, corrosion, or ruptured cells and smell for chemical odors. These indicate a bad pack. Next, use a multimeter to read resting voltage and record it so you can compare after charging. Make sure to disconnect any inline switches and write down connector type. This avoids mismatches when you reconnect the pack. You proceed by testing each cell because one weak cell can ruin the whole pack. Split packs if needed to access cells. If voltages are slightly low, gently revive with a slow charge or trickle at manufacturer-recommended current to avoid heat buildup. For LiPo, apply a balanced charge to equalize cells. Once balanced, remeasure. If any cell stays low or shows internal resistance, replace that cell or the whole pack to prevent failure. Use proper connectors and insulation when rebuilding. You finish by reconnecting the battery with correct polarity, securing terminals, and reassembling the housing. This prevents shorts and vibration damage. Then perform a full, correct profile charge and immediately test the car under normal load while monitoring pack temperature and voltage drop, because these reveal hidden faults. If you see overheating, swelling, or rapid voltage sag, stop charging and driving. Those are signs to reopen, retest cells, or replace the pack. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent sag usually means a failing cell or excessive motor draw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.